Poor posture can lead to neck tension, rounded shoulders, back discomfort, and limited movement. The good news: you can improve your posture with simple, effective exercises. In this video, we'll cover 5 professional, beginner-friendly movements that strengthen key muscles, improve body alignment, and help you stand taller and move with greater confidence every day. Number 1. Wall Angels. Wall angels are one of the best exercises for improving upper body posture because they train your shoulders, upper back, and core to work together while maintaining proper alignment. Stand with your back against a wall, keeping your feet several inches away from it. Gently press your upper back and the back of your head toward the wall without forcing your neck into an uncomfortable position. Bend your elbows to approximately 90 degrees, creating a goalpost position with your arms. Slowly move your arms upward while keeping your elbows and hands as close to the wall as comfortably possible. Avoid shrugging your shoulders or arching your lower back. Move slowly and focus on control rather than range of motion. Then gradually lower your arms back to the starting position. Repeat for 8 to 12 controlled repetitions. Wall angels can help reinforce better shoulder positioning and improve awareness of how your upper body should be aligned. They are especially useful if you spend long periods sitting at a desk, looking at a phone, or working on a computer. For beginners, don't worry if your hands cannot completely touch the wall. Your goal is controlled movement with good form. Perform this exercise regularly and gradually work toward a larger comfortable range of motion. Number 2. Bird Dog. The bird dog is an excellent exercise for developing core stability, improving balance, and supporting a healthier posture. Instead of simply strengthening your abdominal muscles, it teaches your body to maintain a stable spine while your arms and legs move. Begin on your hands and knees with your hands directly underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. Keep your spine neutral and gently tighten your abdominal muscles. Slowly extend your right arm forward while simultaneously extending your left leg backward. Try to create one straight line from your fingertips through your body to your heel. Keep your hips level and avoid rotating your torso. Hold the position for a few seconds while breathing normally, then slowly return your hand and knee to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions on each side. The key to this exercise is control. Avoid lifting your arm or leg too high because excessive movement can cause your lower back to arch or your hips to rotate. Bird Dog strengthens important stabilizing muscles around your core, hips, and back. These muscles help support proper spinal alignment during everyday activities such as walking, standing, bending, and lifting. If balancing both limbs at once feels difficult, begin by lifting only one arm or one leg at a time. As your stability improves, progress to the full movement. Number 3. Glute Bridge. The glute bridge is a powerful exercise for strengthening the glutes and supporting the muscles that help maintain proper pelvic and lower back alignment. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Position your feet approximately hip-width apart and place your arms comfortably beside your body. Before lifting your hips, gently tighten your abdominal muscles. Then press through your heels and squeeze your glutes to raise your hips toward the ceiling. Your body should form a relatively straight line from your shoulders to your knees at the top of the movement. Avoid pushing your hips excessively high or arching your lower back. The movement should come primarily from your glutes rather than your spine. Pause briefly at the top, squeeze your glutes, and then slowly lower your hips back toward the floor. Perform 10 to 15 controlled repetitions. Strong glutes can contribute to better pelvic stability and help your body maintain efficient alignment while standing and walking. Weak glutes, combined with prolonged sitting, may contribute to poor movement patterns and difficulty maintaining good posture. The glute bridge is also beginner-friendly because it does not require equipment. Once the basic version becomes easy, you can increase the challenge by adding resistance or performing single-leg variations, provided you can maintain proper technique. Focus on smooth, controlled repetitions and consistent breathing. Quality is more important than speed. Number 4. Chin Tucks. Chin tucks are a simple but highly useful exercise for improving head and neck positioning, particularly if you spend many hours looking at a computer, phone, or television. Start by sitting or standing tall with your shoulders relaxed. Keep your eyes facing straight ahead. Slowly draw your chin backward as though you are trying to create a gentle double chin. Do not tilt your head downward. Your head should move backward rather than up or down. Hold the position for approximately 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. The goal is to activate the deep muscles of the neck while reducing the tendency to push your head forward. Many people naturally develop a forward head position during prolonged screen use, which can make the neck and upper back feel tense. Chin tucks can help you become more aware of your head position and encourage a more neutral alignment. Perform the exercise slowly and gently. You should not experience sharp pain, dizziness, or significant discomfort. If the movement causes symptoms, stop and consider speaking with a qualified healthcare professional. You can perform chin tucks while sitting at your desk, standing in your kitchen, or taking a short break during the day. Because they require no equipment and very little space, they are easy to incorporate into a daily posture routine. Consistency is more important than performing large numbers of repetitions. Number 5. Thoracic extension. Thoracic extension helps improve mobility in the upper and middle portion of your spine, an area that can become stiff from prolonged sitting and poor posture. You can perform this exercise using a chair. Sit upright with your feet comfortably positioned on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and keep your elbows relaxed. Slowly lean your upper back over the backrest of the chair while keeping your lower body stable. Think about gently extending through your upper back rather than forcing your neck backward. Move only through a comfortable range of motion. Pause briefly, then return to the upright position. Perform approximately 8 to 12 slow repetitions. Improving thoracic mobility can make it easier to maintain an upright posture and move your shoulders comfortably. When the upper back becomes stiff, people may compensate by rounding their shoulders or excessively extending other parts of the spine. Thoracic extension encourages movement in the upper back while promoting better body awareness. Avoid forcing the movement or creating excessive pressure on your spine. Keep the motion smooth and controlled and breathe naturally throughout each repetition. For an effective posture routine, combine this exercise with strengthening movements such as bird dogs and glute bridges, along with shoulder and neck exercises such as wall angels and chin tucks. Remember, better posture is not about holding your body rigidly all day. Healthy posture involves strength, mobility, balance, and the ability to change positions comfortably. Practice these 5 exercises consistently, stay active throughout the day, and pay attention to how you sit, stand, walk, and use your devices. Small improvements in daily habits can make a meaningful difference over time.